I was gonna film like a regular happy video about my weekend and weekly reset and decluttering and oh my goodness, I have the day off, let's do something together. But you know what? I kind of feel like doo-doo. So I may just film that. My room is looking like a mess and a half. It's actually not just my room, it's my entire apartment, it's my entire life. But here we are. The plan for today is to take my little baby to the park and then to clean the apartment. So let's go. Going now. Are you ready, Hazel? This is so real. This is literally what I am like every month.